Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Farmer Scholars again. As we always take a special topic, and today also we are having a very important topic, that is Alcoa Plus in pharmaceutical industries. So let's start with the topic. Alcoa Plus. So Alcoa Plus was introduced by Stan W. Woolen, that senior compliance advisor in 1990s. It's an integral part of data integrity. Well, Alcoa stands for A stands for attributable, L stands for legible, C stands for contemporaneous, O stands for original, and fifth, A stands for accurate. Abbreviations. And the plus are CCEA, and the C stands for complete, other C stands for consistent, E stands for enduring, A stands for available. Now let's know about each and every one by one. Let's start. The attributable. Attributable is to identify the doer or a person responsible for the work. The person doing any entry or single cut should be identified. So how will we identify that person? So we can simply identify that person by his signatures or initials. And talking about legible, the legible simply means clearly readable. All entries should be clearly readable. For example, 0OQ, all should be identified clearly. Everything written should be crystal clear. There should not be any overwriting. We talk about contemporaneous. Contemporaneous means that we have to mention exact date and time at which the activities were performed. For example, date as 20th May 2024 and time as 13:00. The time should be written as 24-hour format only. AM, PM are not acceptable. The clock should be synchronized throughout the company. For that, all the clocks around the company should be synchronized and having the same time indicated. O stands for original, and that means use only original documents. No raw or fake documents should be used. For this, we must only use control documents. To maintain the originality, we can take the printouts or whatever in process we do. For example, for the moisture content, that is LOD, we can take out the printout, and for uniformity of weight, friability test, thickness, hardness, the disintegration test, the balance verification and calibration. For all the activities we are performing, we can have the evidence by taking out the printouts. By this, we can maintain the originality of the documents. Accuracy. The accuracy of the data must be maintained. This means the data accuracy. For example, if the balance is indicating 3 values after decimal, then the documents must reflect that. For maintaining accuracy, we must use reference standards such as certificates for external calibration of weights, stopwatch, thermometers, etc. We can verify by comparing the actual values with the standard values for accurate results. And the next, C stands for complete. The data must be completed. Incomplete data is unacceptable. If any person is dedicated in a particular area for 8 hours, then he is completely responsible for that area up to that time. No signature should be pending. Everything should be completed within a defined or predetermined schedule. For example, preventive maintenance of machines, calibration, requalification of equipments, they all should be done within their schedule. Consistent. Talking about consistent, everything we are doing must be consistent. Consistent means regularity. So everything we are doing, we are performing, that should be in regular manner. We must follow Alcoa plus SOPs, BMR, PPRs consistently. Casual approach is unacceptable. All work must be done in chronological order. For example, the steps mentioned in the BMR, the BPR must be followed in chronological order. So the chronology must be maintained in the documents as mentioned in the consistent. Enduring. The enduring means the long lasting. The data must be long lasting. All the documents, the BMR, the BPR, which are having the data, that data should be long lasting. So we do not use pencil, use only ink pen. Well, ink we are using for printouts, that must be long lasting. It should last at least up to the shelf life of a drug or up to the consumption of the medicine available. Talking about available, all documents should be available at any time. During internal and external audits, documents must be available quickly. Otherwise, it will give a pathetic impression to the auditor. The more you will delay, more frustrating for the auditor will be. That's all for Alcoa Plus. Thanks for the attention. Please do like, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.